How to disable dark mode on LinkedIn. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Have you enabled dark mode on LinkedIn and now want to turn it off? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open LinkedIn on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top left corner. A menu will appear. Select the settings option available at the bottom. Then tap on account preferences. Under the display section, you will see an option for dark mode. Tap on it. Now select the light mode option. As you can see, dark mode is now disabled. But if you have selected the device settings option, then there is no need to navigate to this page every time to enable or disable dark mode. Instead, swipe down on your screen to access quick settings. Find the dark mode feature and turn it off. As you can see, dark mode is now disabled. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to turn off dark mode on LinkedIn. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.